So my name's Kevin Yoder. I'm the general manager here at First Choice Exteriors, which we're located in Holmesville, Ohio. And we have a manufacturing arm here that does all the metal manufacturing, which is classic metals. Yeah, we stay busy manufacturing metal roofing of all different shapes and sizes and other home exterior products like vinyl siding and windows and doors and so forth. So we have two machines. This was the original one. This machine is about time to be replaced. So that's the next thing, is we need to start talking about what options do we want. And then just about 2 years ago, we purchased a second one. Primarily why we purchased two of them is, I know it's quick and easy, to change dies, but for us, it's just simpler to hook up to a new machine, right? Primary customers would be contractors, a lot of contractors. One thing that we do with the standing seam machine is we go out on the job site, run it on the job site. We show up, we bring along the trims, and they can get the final measurements. So it does eliminate one extra trip often for the contractor. You don't have to worry about crating, scratching, damaging the panels, and also it's longer lengths. So sometimes, if we'd have something in-house, you might have a problem delivering a 45-footer or something. Well, if you're on the job site, it's no issue. So that's where the SSQ on the trailer being portable has been a big benefit. It's always fun to work on a project. We get into some specialty stuff, whether it's different panel widths. We've had people come to us say, hey, we want to go 24 inches wide. Can you do it? So then we'll go look at the manual on the machine and say, yep, we can do that. We custom ordering coil, a custom color, so on and so forth. So we get involved in some of that, and that breaks up the mundane everyday job. Myself as a general manager, if I have a little bit of a problem or a little bit of a hiccup or something I don't understand on a machine, there's jobs waiting. Like we need to get we need to be able to get a hold of somebody and get it taken care of. And that's partnering with a high quality machine manufacturer is key. In the past, we might have had some suggestions, or we did have some suggestions to the reps as, things that we felt that could be improved. And I definitely feel that NTM has put the effort in to try to address any of those issues. We had an issue at one point of the infeed. As it was going in, it wanted to put little dimples in the panel. We made some suggestions, and it was a matter of a week that we had additional rollers and brackets that was sent out by NTM to resolve that issue. Notching has been a big thing in this area. It's something that we kind of drug our feet at a little bit because it's extra steps for us, but for the installer, it's a huge benefit. Now that NTM offers that notching, I think it's above and beyond what other machines are being offered out there.